Monroe, Louisiana. There are myths and there is reality. The reality is there can only be one best. Some of you have never seen this band perform before, but let me assure you, everything you've heard about us is true. Drum majors, your audience awaits you. You may now approach the field. Anywhere you want to go. They are from left to right. Junior, Jalen Kelly. Senior, Terrence Man. And sophomore, Olivia Man. Drum majors, let's get this party started. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's come down to this. This is the feature presentation of the evening. Calibrate your musical positioning systems and adjust your settings as we present from the birthplace of American soul music, Memphis, Tennessee, the ultimate high school marching musical experience. None other than the sounds of perfection, the Whitehaven High School Marching Band, under direction of Mr. Vincent Smith. along with some sweet, stereophonic sounds. The composition, Stairway to Heaven by the OJs. Music is an atmosphere. It is a sound of absolute perfection. These amazing young showmen have captivated audience all across America. They are the aristocracy of marching musical entertainment. Come along and ride with the dance routine, starting with Ski Yee by Sexy Red, So Anxious by Genuine,